Hi, my name is Dre, or Piiinkylocs, or whatever you want to call me, and you're now watching this video on whatever device you're on. It's been such, I always say this, but it's been a while. It's been a long while. It's been like 3 months, maybe, by the time I post this and have it edited. Today we're doing a whimsical tutorial. This is what I came with, okay? So yeah, this is going to be like a voiceover type of thing. There's going to be a point where my camera just dies completely and I switch to my phone. I did get a new phone. I have a 16 now. So I'm no longer on a 13. I am now with an iPhone 16. With that being said, I'm not going to keep it too long. I'll probably discuss where I've been throughout the video. Who knows? But yeah, just sit back and relax and watch the video and enjoy the tutorial. So this is the idea I have right now, and this is me after I've retwisted my hair. I haven't retwisted all of it. I literally just did like 2 rows around the perimeter of my head and called it a day because like I'm just gonna take some pictures because I feel cute. Alright, so this is the plan I have for my makeup. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because it's stupid light, but the makeup and eyeshadow, or the eyeshadow itself, I did not think of. Like this, I'm really not that creative when it comes to makeup. I'm really just good at replicating things. But I added my own spin to it because I just didn't want the 2 eyeshadow. I'm trying to make sure it's not too crazy because like my room is a fucking mess. But I'm in the middle of moving. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and you're gonna see me look this way because I have my mirror in front of me, and you're just gonna watch me do my makeup. I'm gonna be popping in with the products. I'll be explaining what I'm doing, but yeah. So right now all I'm doing is brushing my brows back and having them neat so that way I can place product on them without hairs being everywhere. And I'm using a flat brush I got from Goodwill to go into the Essentials Color Case palette Made by Mitchell. And I'm using a bunch of the light colors, like the light blondes and whites and the browns, just slightly to get this shade. So I really can't tell you which ones I actually use because I did not write them down. But we're just going to go in and fill it in as if we were doing this with regular brow product, just slightly more messy because we're going to shape it up anyway. Here I am carving out my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. Like I said, it's okay to be a little messy because we were gonna shape them up anyway. So in this part, I keep going back and forth with each eyebrow because those brows were looking like very distant cousins. Like my eyebrows are something that I take forever to do just because like I'm damn near perfectionist when it comes to my eyebrows. And they're not perfect by any means, but I would rather them look as similar as possible. And they just weren't looking anything similar. Like I was looking kind of crazy.
I don't think anyone cares if we're going on. So
had to come back really quick to say I did all of my face off camera because my camera's getting ready to die. But I have on the Laura Mercier's Matte Skin Tint in 7C Sable, and I am using the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. Here I'm going to be using Juvia's Place Liquid Blushes in the shades Pink Lady and Perky Poppy. I blend those out, and then when I do that, I go over it with a She Glam Concealer in the shade Earth.
Sometimes I get on my knees. It's something my baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said, you don't know what you mean to me. Door comes breeze, and out the window through the trees. I see it and it's frightening. It's a candle in my room, forgot to blow it out. But I got my jeans on, and my whole place know who cares if we're going on. So I think everyone loves me, and they need to be around me all the time. But I'll be honest, yeah, the nightgown kinda sounds nice. But I like the steez, your style, your holding me on the way you come through and holler and swoop me in his two-seat. Now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya. Don't you forget I got my creams on and my gown on, and I don't think anyone cares if I'm home or not. So I'm to think everyone loves me. You don't know it doesn't what you mean to me. But I'll be honest, yeah, the going out like kind of fun. Even when it's not I turn the light on and I stare at the price. Acting real goofy, but if I cuss you out, I'ma make it look pretty. If I start a fight, I'ma make it look pretty. Yeah, I'm in your spot, yeah, I'm in your city. Acting real rude, bad attitude. Acting real goofy, but if I get kicked out, I'ma make it look pretty. Yeah, I'm sitting pretty, but I'll leave you scarred. About to pop some bottles on the fucking boulevard. I don't need your card. Yeah, my Uber's large. Lip gloss shining, you see it from afar. Just like Michael Jackson, I'm a smooth criminal. Just like Michael Jackson.
So I'm just yapping about the L'Oreal Infallible Spray. This was my first time using it. I don't think I really care for it, but I wasn't buying the travel one size spray for like $20 again. That's just ridiculous. So
I'm feeling pretty, no matter the city. Packing miles, every out here and the miles.
So for this part, the setting powder I'm using a mixture. So I'm using the She Glam setting powder in the shade Chocolate, and I am mixing it with the RCMA translucent powder to set my under eye.
Yeah, I'm in your spot, yeah, I'm in your city. Acting real rude, bad attitude. Acting real goofy, but if I get kicked out, I'ma make it look pretty. Get up out my face, you look like a reptile. Empty urban case, it's about to get wild. Follow me when you're.
I haven't said the name of the brushes I'm using for my eyeshadow, mainly because one, I really don't even know what they are, and two, I usually just use whatever brush that feels right to me, so you can do the same. So I'm using a new palette. I just got this, well, not just now, I got it before I made this video, but it's the Sickly Sweet palette by Blend Bunny Cosmetics as well. Damn. But I'm gonna zoom in so we can really see what I'm doing. We're back after some technical difficulties, really, aka me forgetting where I put my eyeliner because I'm a fucking chud. You're gonna see this product crack a lot, but that was just user error. You know, I'm not someone who's patient when I'm doing my makeup, so I don't wait for anything to dry. But I will say, this is a really good product, but you have to let it dry, and I would personally set it. I do end up setting it, but I mean, like I said, I didn't wait for it to dry completely. So I'm back. It's kind of hard to see it in this lighting, but it looks really good right now. My nose is running, so there's that. So right now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and... Why am I talking again? Okay, so this is the final look. Do I need to turn down? Hold on. We'll just leave it on 200. But this is the final look. I wish I would have made this smaller, but this is the first time I've done something like that before. But yeah, anyway, if you made it this far to the video, like, comment, and subscribe. It's been a very long time since I've been on here, and I hope this is a good comeback video. I'm gonna go take pictures. I'm gonna put on some press-ons too. But yeah, follow my Instagram at FatBarbie. The I is a number 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.